Forno Appliances introduces you to the 30-inch 6239 gas range. The black finish harmonizes professional style and durability with antique brass. Continuous cast iron grates ensure even heat, providing cookware stability and mobility. There are 5 burners that range from 20,000 to 9,000 BTU. Includes one sealed dual ring burner for high searing or precise simmering. Thick, durable, pro-style door handles with a large viewing window. Stainless steel finish ensures reliability for years to come. Easy to operate zinc-coated metal control knobs with bezel rings will last and look great for the life of the range. All knobs also illuminate. Equipped with a nightlight that provides a unique lighting ambiance. Comes equipped with an iron-cast black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable. The deep recessed cavity of the black enamel subsurface not only looks great, but is designed to be easy to clean, with no cracks for crud to collect. The interior stove has a stylish blue enamel color and is 4.32 cubic feet. There are 2 telescopic electroplated adjustable racks with easy grip handles for easy rolling. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. The main interior oven is equipped in auto ignition that can power up to 10,000 BTU for broiling. It also features a bottom oven burner that has a heat force of 22,000 BTU. Ignited by auto ignition and has a U-shaped burner for optimal heat distribution. Interior convectional fan for disperse even heating. Includes a reversible cooking griddle that is also movable. Includes an air fry rack and basket, and also an oven tray. Includes an LP kit for conversion from natural to propane. We stand behind each appliance we design and manufacture with an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, lowering the cost of living.